Hello and welcome to 365 days of drum meditation, and we're drumming through the names of God. Make sure and check my playlist for the previous names of God. Today's name is Teacher, Rabbi. I am your teacher. I am your Rabbi. I am your Rabbi. John 20:16 says, Jesus said to her, Mary, and she turned to him and said, Rabbi, which is to say, teacher. John 3:2 says, this man came to Jesus by night and said to him, Rabbi, we know that you are a teacher, come from God, for no one can do these signs that you do unless God is with them. Let's ponder the idea of Jesus, of God, of the Holy Spirit as our teacher. So that's our rhythm for the morning. I am your teacher. I am your rabbi. I am your teacher. I am your rabbi. You are my teacher, you are my rabbi, you are my teacher, you are my rabbi. Teach me, teacher, teach me, teach Teach me, Rabbi. Teach me. Teach me, teacher. Teach me. Teach me, Rabbi. Teach my heart. Teach my heart to be in rest. Teach my heart. Teach my heart to be in joy. Teach my heart. Teach my heart to be in peace. Teach my heart. Teach my heart to be in love. Thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure to like and share and subscribe to the channel if this is something that has really been something that ministers peace to you. And as always, share it with a friend.